everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Jessica and welcome. So today's video I'm really excited about. I had watched Ilo Sare's video on her making these and I was like, that looks so good. And I'm having a happy hour with my friends over FaceTime, of course, since we're in this quarantine. And I wanted to make this to enjoy myself with them and to also teach you guys, because if you want a really refreshing drink, especially now that summer's coming, even though summer's a little weird right now, this is like the perfect drink, especially if you like tequila, which I'm sure you could sub for vodka or whatever, but this is a tequila drink. We are making Cantaritos. So I am so excited for my little Mexican side's coming out, but obviously, as you know, I am Mexican, so any drinks like this just like hit right. So I have all the ingredients with me. I'm gonna kind of make this video really short, really easy. It's actually not that hard to make. You really just need like your basic essentials that you might get at your grocery store. Like we have some fresh fruit. So we have some limes, lemons, and oranges. And you also sometimes can put grapefruit. You need Tajìn, which I only have a little bit left, but if you know me, you know I love Tajìn. So definitely is a staple in this. You can add some salt. I don't really like salt, but it's in the recipe, so maybe I'll add a little bit into it. And then you're gonna need Squirt. You can also use Jarritos of Torinja. I forgot the most important ingredient. And then you need some tequila. And the tequila that I got is this 1800 silver. I was trying to find like, I don't know, the one that they used in the video was Casa Blanca Amigos. And I was trying to look for that one and I couldn't find it, and my mom's like, just go with this one, or any white tequila would work instead of a reposado. But yeah, so we're gonna use this one. We'll see how it tastes with it. I'm gonna use it in this pitcher because I'm gonna be making more than one, especially like, I'm just gonna have one. But really you're supposed to make it in a cantarito, which I'll put a picture of one over here, which is technically what it's meant to be in. And I have like a kind of similar thing here. It's like this like authentic Mexican like clay thing, but it's like sealed, so it's not like really clay inside anymore. But this one I'm gonna use, super cute and authentic, and yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. If you like these types of videos and like the recent recipes I've been doing, or you want to see any more, just comment below any that you would like me to do. And if you want to learn how to make a cantarito and get some tequila in your life, then just keep on watching. I'm first gonna start by cutting the fruit. I'm gonna be putting it in this first, and then I'll be pouring it into my cantarito. So I just have my cutting board. I'm just gonna cut the fruit and squeeze it in, and we're gonna make it all the fruit juice first. Actually, I'm not gonna get the orange first. I'm gonna get a lime first. So I'm just gonna cut up all the limes and squeeze them in. Oh my god, this is about to be so good. You guys, I have not worn jeans in so long. I'm wearing jeans right now just so they're high-waisted because the shirt's kind of like cropped a little bit. But it's so weird. Like, I just want to get ready and go out somewhere, you know what I mean? Like, today was the first day I left anywhere, and it was to buy the ingredients for this because Dom's been going for the most part. And I was like kind of scared. I feel like I'm a little bit of a hypochondriac, and so it was a lot. But yeah, it's just crazy the time we're living in right now. But it's making you at least, you know, stay safe, keep people safe, and you get to do a couple more things like learn recipes and things like that. Work out a little more. I've been working out like every day, and I'm so proud of myself. Have them all right here. Now I'm just gonna squeeze those in there, and then I'll show you guys how it looks afterward. Literally just gonna like that, squeeze it in. I don't have a lime squeezer, so it's gonna be a workout for me, but I will be right back. Squeezing all my limes. I literally squeezed like 20 limes, I feel like. Not really, but basically felt like that. And then I also squeezed like 4 oranges, or no, 3 oranges slash I think they were grapefruits. I'm not really sure. They look a little more pink than normal, so I don't know. And then I squeezed probably like 3 big lemons in there. So this is kind of what it looks like. And then I just cut up the last bit of like orange or grapefruit and put it in there. Sorry, my friends are on Zoom and they're like watching me do this. So now it's time for the squirt. So I'm gonna put the squirt in. Oh my god, I'm just like so excited to do this. This is actually really easy to make. And then I'm just gonna pour the tequila in, you know, just maybe like 1 or 2 shots, something like that. Just, you know, keep it really light. I think that's good for now. Right now I'm just gonna mix it in this, and then I'm gonna pour it in my Cantarito, which already has like oranges and grapefruits in it. I'm gonna add some ice into this, probably like 4 ice cubes. I want it to be like really cold and really good. Oh, this looks so good. I'm nervous, guys. Let's do a taste test really fast. Holy crap. That is so good. Oh my god. That's so good. Whew. And you can like taste it, but it's so good and so refreshing. So that is what it looks like. Wow, you guys, that is so good. And then if you want, you can even add some Tajìn like in it. And if you had like a rim paste, I'm just gonna kind of add it like around the edges. Kind of like that. You can't really see it, I guess. You can mix it in. It's like tahini. Oh my god. That is so refreshing. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is so good, so easy. I'm gonna go back to my friends on Zoom and have a little fiesta. If you guys make it or try it, please let me know. This is what it'll look like. I'm gonna put it in a bigger thing so I can actually fill this with ice and just put it in the fridge. But holy crap, so refreshing, so good, and I'm sure it'll get me feeling nice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and enjoy. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.